Let me guess. You've been watching trading videos nonstop, scrolling through social media posts of people flipping charts into cash, and you're thinking, can I really do this too? The answer is yes. But if you're just starting out in 2025, it's more important than ever to do it the right way. Because let's face it, most beginners fail. Not because they aren't smart or motivated, but because they start with no direction, no plan, and worst of all, no real tools to help them. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start day trading in 2025 as a complete beginner. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just a real guide backed by a strategy I still use to this day. And I'll show you the exact indicator that helped me turn the corner when I was just getting started. It's called Pro V3 by SMRT Algo on TradingView. Now let's rewind for a second. When I first started trading, I thought I had to learn everything at once. Candlestick patterns, order blocks, Fibonacci, news trading, you name it. And every video told me a different thing. It was overwhelming. But the truth is, trading isn't about learning everything. It's about mastering something simple that works and repeating it. That's where the Pro V3 comes in. This indicator helped me clear the noise. It's like having a pro trader sitting next to you, highlighting what matters and filtering out all the random stuff. Whether you're trading Forex, indices like NAS 100 or SPX, or even crypto, it adapts to your style and keeps things clean. So how do you actually start? Step 1 is mindset. Before you open a chart, you have to understand this. Trading is not gambling. It's not guessing. It's a game of probabilities, rules, and repetition. You need to be okay with losses as long as they're part of a winning system. That's the mindset pros have, and you should too from day one. Next comes your setup. Download TradingView. It's free to start, and it's where you'll do all your analysis. Once you're there, head to the Indicators tab and search for the Pro V3 by SMRT Algo. This indicator is invite only, so you'll need to get access first. Click the link in the description, and trust me, it's worth it. Once you load it up, your chart instantly changes. You'll see color-coded candles, blue for bullish trends, red for bearish. These aren't just for looks. They help you see the trend immediately. No guessing if the market's moving up or down. One glance and you know. You'll also notice support and resistance zones automatically drawn. These are key levels where price is likely to react. As a beginner, this is golden. You no longer need to manually mark up your charts every day. It's done for you in real time. Let's say you're trading GBP USD. Price is moving up, candles turn blue, and the Pro V3 shows a break of structure, or BOS. That means momentum is in your favor. You spot a nearby retest zone, another feature of the indicator, and boom, that's your entry point. You don't just jump in randomly, you enter when the market gives you a clean signal, in a clean area, with everything lining up. That's how you go from hoping to winning. But we're not done. The Pro V3 also includes a built-in trailing stop feature. This means as price moves in your favor, your stop loss moves with it, locking in profits and reducing risk. You don't have to babysit the trade. The system handles a lot of that for you. And if you're not sure what the higher time frames are doing, the multi-time frame dashboard tells you instantly. Want to know what the 15-minute, 1-hour, and 4-hour trends are doing? It's right there, no extra charts needed. This is huge because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trading against the bigger trend. That's how you get stopped out. With this tool, you're always aware of the bigger picture, even if you're scalping on the lower time frames. Now let's talk results. Are you going to make $1,000 a day right away? Probably not, and that's okay. When I started, I focused on hitting $25 a day, then $50, then $100. Once I got consistent, I scaled up, and it's easier to grow when you're trading with clarity, not chaos. This is what most new traders miss. They overcomplicate everything. They're chasing trades, switching strategies every week, trying to catch the move. But the move doesn't matter if you don't know how to ride it with discipline. That's why a tool like Pro V3 isn't just an indicator, it's your edge, it's your structure. It's how you build habits that lead to consistent wins. And let me say this clearly, success in trading doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing less, but doing it better. If you follow one market, one strategy, and one tool, you'll outperform 90% of beginners who are constantly chasing the next shiny thing. So here's what I'd do if I were starting over in 2025. I'd open a demo account. Practice your setups using Pro V3. Get used to identifying trends, support zones, and entry signals. Track everything. Journal your trades. Don't rush. This is a skill, not a lottery ticket. And once you go, you don't need to trade 10 hours a day. I trade a couple hours during the London or New York sessions. I get my setups, I manage my trades, and I'm done. The rest of the day is mine. And that's what this is really about, right? Freedom. Control over your time. Not having to rely on a boss or a 9 to 5. That's what trading can give you if you take it seriously. So if you're ready to start your journey, the first step is getting the right tools. Go to the link in the description and request access to Pro V3. It's premium and invite only, but it's the same tool I wish I had when I started. And now I wouldn't trade without it. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe if you want more real trading content, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I read everyone. This is the year to stop watching and start doing. Get focused, get a plan, get the tools. And let's make 2025 the year your trading journey finally takes off. I'll see you in the next one.